because it is not a secret, and oh, I face the it is being done in front of the cameras because it is not a secret. This is a traditional ceremony to symbolically give the son of the departed my brother, the late Raila Odinga, his son Junior Raila, the seat of power of the home. The seat of the power of the home. He is now the leader of this home together with the mom. The mom will be there to give him all the advices he needs, but he must stand firm. He must stand firm and lead the home in as per our culture. This is not political leadership, but this is the leadership of the home. The larger Odinga family, which I chair and which I lead, he is still under me. Just like his father was also still under me when it came to the cultural leadership of the home. And he is going to do, we are going to do the normal rituals which we normally do as per our traditions. And we are going to start because today is the 4th day. My brother was buried on Sunday last week, and if we count from Sunday to last night, it is exactly 4 nights. And that is in our culture, the 4th night. After the 4th night, that is the day. Now, normally, the funeral ends officially. That is when now the Wagogni, those who are married elsewhere, the girls, they go back to their houses and they go back to their husbands. That is when the boys, who should have been spending the whole night, up to last night, they were not supposed to go back to their houses. It is today that they are now officially allowed to go back to their houses and even touch their wives if they have. So this is a very great day for us, the 4th day, and we did that when my father Jaramogi left us, and we don't want to disregard the culture, because even in the Bible, you know, there was Isaac and Jacob. Jacob and Esau. Esau was the eldest. He was supposed to get the blessings, but his brother made some tricks, because the father, he was supposed to slaughter something for the father. So even in our culture, even in the Bible, those issues of blessings are there. Giving blessings and even slaughtering animals for ceremonies to give people blessings of the ancestors is there. So today we want to give this home, blessings, and we want Junior, you to take the leadership and take the mantle, and you will go through the ritual. It will start with some little shavings. I know Mama Ida might not want to be shaved, but Junior will do a little shaving for you, and then after, and your wife, after that little shaving is done, then you are going to be given the necessary instruments of power, and you will display it, and then things will continue and it will not be long. So this is what one of the grandmothers, your grandmothers, will do, the shaving first, quickly, and then we proceed thereafter. Everything else will go.